How to fix autocomplete contact list not populating in the 2CC or BCC field. So here I am in the Outlook application, and when I create a new email, there is an autocomplete feature right here. So for example, if I click on this, I can just go ahead and choose any contact right here from the autocomplete list, and then I can add them in the 2 field, CC field or BCC field. So for example, for the CC field, if I click that, the contact list will open, and then I can add anyone in here. So for example, this one, first, last, I'll add them in the CC field. It's populating correctly. Click OK, and now they are added. So if you're having problems with your 2CC or BCC field, there are some things that we can do to fix that. So let me close this. So the first thing is that you need to double check if autocomplete is turned on. So just go to File, go to Options. From here, go to Mail. Scroll down until you see Send Messages section. From here, the Use Autocomplete list to suggest names when typing in the 2CC or BCC lines must be turned on. So if it is turned off, you need to make sure that this is turned on. Next, what we can do is that we can check if Microsoft Outlook is updated to the latest version. So you can go to File, go to Office Account. From here, there is this button right here, Microsoft 365 and Office Update. So just click that, Update Options, and then Update Now. And then it will check for any updates. So you just need to wait for that to finish. And then after it is finished, and if you're still having problems, we can do some other solutions as well. The next solution that you can do is that you can go to the search and then click the run function right here. And then you need to type this in the in this field right here, percent local app data percent, and then /Microsoft /Outlook. So just go ahead and do that and then click OK. From here, you can either delete all of the items right here in the Roam cache, or you can just name it to, for example, Roam cache underscore old, so that Outlook will create a new cache. You can also just delete this, as I said, so that you don't have any of these cache files anymore. So I can just delete that, click yes, and then now it's done. So now, if it's still not working, what we can do is that we can use the repair function of the Outlook application. So to do that, we just need to go to the control panel. Let's find the control panel right here. If it's not there, I can just right click, and then it's not here as well. So let me try again. Here is the control panel. I can click on that. From here, go to Programs and Features, and then from here, we need to type in Microsoft 365. And then we should see that right here, Microsoft 365 Apps for Business. So just select that and then click Change. Then click Yes. From here, there should be a window that will open. I think it's because this is still running, so it's not appearing right now. So let me close this first. And then it says right here, please wait until the current program is finished uninstalling or being changed. So I'll just wait for a bit until this is okay. So now we can see that this window appears. So this will appear after you click change right here in the control panel. So you have two types of options. You can either use quick repair so that you can fix the issue without using an internet connection. But if it's still not working, then you can try online repair. So this will fix all issues, but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. So just go ahead and try these features right here. Then now you can go back to Outlook to see if the problem is fixed. And then that's it. So that is how we can fix the autocomplete feature not populating in the 2CC or BCC field. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.